Hey, what's up, guys and gals? It's week 5, day 1 homework help, so let's get started. First problem I'm helping you with says draw a box and whisker plot for the data set. So we have a bunch of numbers here, and we're going to have to put them in least greatest order for a minute, but do you remember the 5 numbers you need to get for a box and whisker plot? You need the lower extreme and the upper extreme. You need Q1 and Q3, and you need your median. And in order to find those, we need to put these numbers in least to greatest order. So let me make the pen a little bit thinner, and I'm going to write those numbers above it. So I'm going to start, I see 11, I see 2 12s, there's a 13, 14, 14, 14, 3 14s, 16, and 18. All right. So let's get started with the lower and the upper extreme. So the lower extreme is the smallest number, and the upper extreme is the biggest number. That's easy enough. For the median, Q1 and Q3, I'm going to start by splitting the data in half. And I notice there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers, which is odd. So I'm going to find the middle number and think of 9. If 9 is odd, that means you have 4 and 4, which is 8, plus that 1 in the middle, which is the 9th one. So after I count the 4th number over, I'll get to the 1 in the middle, which is 14. So the median is 14. Now Q1 is going to be the middle of this lower half of numbers. So the 2 12s are in the middle. What's between 12 and 12? Well, nothing. So Q1 is 12. I'll do the same thing with this upper half of data for Q3. 14 and 16 are in the middle. What's between 14 and 16? Well, 15 is. So they are my 5 numbers I need to put on my box plot. So now let's draw it. Let's see here. I'm going to draw a number line. And I know my lower extreme is 11 and my upper extreme is 18. So I'm going to start with, I like even numbers, so I'm going to do 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and I'll put the odd ones in between. Okay, so my lower extreme is 11, so let me make my pen a little bit fatter. I'm going to put a dot at 11. Q1 is 12. The median is 14. Q3 is 15. And the upper extreme is 18. So I put dots at those 5 spots, and then I connect my first 2 dots and my last 2 dots to make my whiskers, and a box in between, and a line through my median. And that's my box and whisker plot. All right, now let's go down to the problem below. This says plot the following points and find the area of the figure. Now first off, I see there are 4 points. So there's going to be 4 vertices or corners. So this is either going to be a rectangle, a square, could be a parallelogram, could be a trapezoid. So let's plot those points. All right, so let's start with 3, 2. Over 3 up 2 is right there. Negative 3, 2. Over negative 3 and up positive 2. Negative 3, negative 2. Over negative 3, down negative 2. And the last one is 3, negative 2. So over positive 3, down negative 2. So that's looking like a nice rectangle to me. Now let's find the area. Now you could do this a couple ways. You can count all the squares if you want. You could be like 1, 2, 3, 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 4 times 6 is 24. Or you can find the length and the width. So if I count the length, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write my 4 down. And the width, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I know area of a rectangle is length times width. So 6 times 4 is 24 square units. All right, that's it for homework help today. If you have any questions, make sure you ask me in class. Thanks for watching.